स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तारक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः।
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते।
OP Roy and the principal of the LS College Muzaffarpur, giving the bouquet to the principal of LS College Muzaffarpur. Now we clap everyone.
On this momentous occasion, it is our proud privilege and fortune to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Professor O.P. Roy, Principal LS College Muzaffarpur, our patron, our guide, our inspiration, our strength, our pride, and what not. Honorable Shri Anil Kumar Sir, ARO, DAV Public School, Bihar Zone C, all the distinguished principals of different DAV Public Schools, all the esteemed guests, parents, media persons who have come so far to grace the occasion. Let's have a brief introduction of our program, the investiture ceremony. If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Investiture ceremony is an important occasion where the school entrusts its upcoming leaders with certain roles and responsibilities. Delegation of responsibilities and giving authority to the students is important as it teaches them lifelong skills of being powerful and caring simultaneously. DAV Public School Maligat has always been inspired by the vision that every child who comes to this temple of learning must be a person filled with knowledge, fear of God, respect to the elders, respecting the rules and regulations of this education portal, love and reverence to the parents, and love for the nation at large. Children have always been conferred to as the leaders of tomorrow, and there is a special ceremony that turns it into reality. The students are the torchbearers of tomorrow. Therefore, nurturing them and fostering in them a sense of self-respect, self-discipline, the capacity to enjoy life as independent, self-motivated adults, and the willingness to care for others are extremely pertinent. Foreseeing the welfare of their students' future, to train them in leadership skills, the school's Students' Council is selected after a rigorous process. In this solemn ceremony, the new prefect body of leaders swearing in will be an eye-catching moment for the gathering to witness the emerging leaders. With its grandeur and solemnity, the investiture ceremony serves as a platform to recognize and instill a sense of pride and accountability among the recipients. This is inaugurated by a promise of brighter future as the new prefects get ready to be invested. So wishing all of you the very best to lead your leadership role in the best possible manner and to be the leaders who would inspire. Have a fantabulous day. God bless you all. Thank you.
Suri ये तेरी रहमत है मेरे मालिक, तुम्हारा नहीं था वो पाया मैंने, सुनी जो उनके आने की आहट, गरीब खाना सजाया मैंने, सुनी जो उनके आने की आहट, गरीब खाना सजाया मैंने, कदम मुबारक हमारे दर पे, नसीब अपना जगाया मैंने, कदम मुबारक हमारे दर पे, नसीब अपना जगाया मैंने, कदम मुबारक हमारे दर पे, नसीब अपना जगाया हमने।
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
मधुरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतिरखिलं मधुरम् वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं निर्मधुरः पाद्यो मधुरं नृत्यं मधुरं सङ्ख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपतिरखिलं मधुरम् गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भोक्तं मधुरं सूक्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतिरखिलं मधुरम् मधुरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतिरखिलं मधुरम्
Here we have one such dynamic personality. She is none other than our respected principal madam, erudite. I would like to request to come on the stage and address the welcome address to the gatherings. Please, ma'am.
A very warm, cordial, soothing, pleasant, and a vibrant good day to all of you. Your presence spread the fragrance of beauty in the campus. I extend my heartfelt, warmest welcome to all of you to the campus of Devi Family Malingham. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, none other than a dynamic personality among the crowd, Sir Dr. Professor O.P. Rai, Principal LS College, Muzaffarpur. Sir, your presence really made this day a very happiest day, and I hope few words from you definitely would touch my students and they could follow in their coming future. The leadership quality in you or the message conveyed by your noteworthy work would definitely set an example for the youngsters to march ahead and to shape their future as a personality who could be recognized in a broad way in the society. I heartily welcome you and extend my warmest thanks with gratitude, sir. At the same time, it always inspired me, encouraged me, strengthened my spirit when I am being guided by my seniors. When I got all the support whenever I need is none other than our dear Sir Sri Anil Kumar, the Assistant Regional Officer, Devi Public Schools, Bihar Zone C. Sir, I do believe by your ignite guidance to all the heads in your zone or in the Muzaffarpur along with some other places, will definitely set an example for others and will flourish in many respective ways. Thank you so much, sir, for your esteemed presence here in the campus, and I cordially welcome you to this program. I must not forget the motivation, the strength, the courage, the inspiration always being generated by my co-colleagues, the principals from different schools. When we are together, we set an example for others. Kanti, Sir Sri Ramkumar, Principal Maharajganj, Sir Sri S. Bhujbal, Principal D.A.V. Nara, Sir Sri Murari Pathak, Principal D.A.V. Khabra, Sir Sri B.S. Pandey. The support generated by you all, and we used to say the bro God, always giving me the encouragement to carry on any kind of program for the children in the school. Thank you so much for your august presence here in this program, and I extend my heartfelt warmest welcome to you all. And I must not forget the contribution, the support extended every time by my dear parents. You are the strongest pillar of the school. Without your support, without your presence, the school have no recognition. Thank you so much for showing your compassionate support every time whenever we need. And I heartily welcome you to this campus. It's your campus, your school, and your presence generate the strength to us. I extend my cordial welcome, and I am expecting the same spirit for the coming days. Thank you so much, dear parents, for your presence and support all the time. And it's without you, the school has hollow name, none other than the chiefing bird of this campus, my dear, lovable children. You are my strength altogether. Without you, we have no meaning here. Without your presence, the campus has no knowledge. There is no love. There is no spirit. There is no happiness. Dear children, I just wish you all the very best to come to you from the God. Always be blessed by the Almighty, blessed by your parents, blessed by your teachers, blessed by your relatives and elders, and always be supported by your friends. Whatever you dream, wish to become and be in your life, God bless you all to become so. And I wish every time you should fly to the sky with all your own potential and let your wings be strong enough to reach the top of the sky. God bless you all and we love you all. And at the end, I must not ignore that I can say without you, it's altogether not possible to conduct or carry out any program. None other than my teachers, my all non-teaching supporting staff. You are that strong pillar who always stood strong, energetic, and strengthening my spirit of potential. It's you only who materialize all the dreams of the children, the imagination we have for them, or to materialize any kind of impossible turning to the possible one. Thank you, my dear teachers, and I extend my warmest welcome to you all, including all my supporting staff. It's really a very happy and very healthy and very happy moment for me. And sometimes I am spellbound to express my feelings, what exactly made me when you are around me. In your presence, all around I see the smile, I see the cheerfulness, I smell the good fragrances of different flowers. Everywhere there is encouragement, there is energy, and all possible way the campus is altogether smiling every time, alive every time by your presence. At the same time, I would also like to extend my cordial welcome to Naveen ji, Electronics Assistant Professor, ILS College, and I think media personnel, though you have come, I might have all are not present. Any other members to whom I missed, all my technicians, all the members, you all are the part and parcel of this program. Without you, I have no strength, I have no meaning. I always consider myself that I am one of them who are making me every time very strong, very energetic, and made me fly so high. You are making my spirit high every time to go to any extent. So thank you all, and I request you all to witness today's ceremony, investiture ceremony shown here. And I believe the parents and the teachers, including the children, must realize the importance of the day for the children. The responsibility you are going to be shoulder on your shoulder has a great meaning in itself. You are going to prove yourself that you are truly the future leader and going to lead the nation well. And at the same time, I must thank my previous cabinet members. Those have proved their excellence in each and every areas, they were debuted. Thank you children for your fabulous performances throughout the session. I do believe the newcomers this year, those are going to be honored today as the cabinet members, will definitely follow you and set an example for their next batch. And I wish all my newcomers, those are going to be honored today, will definitely maintain all the discipline, the rules and regulation entrusted on them, the system of the organization with all their honesty and dedication. At the end, your dedication is expected from every corner. Wish you all the very best, and I hope everybody will witness the day and bless you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
March ahead on the stage. After junior horse representative Atif Taqir, the Atif Taqir of junior horse representative Prithvi Horse march ahead on the stage. The senior horse representative Reshu Raj march ahead on the stage. Now after assistant horse leader Aditya Raj. Aditya Raj, the assistant horse leader of Prithvi Horse, and the horse leader of Prithvi Horse, Shubham Kumar Singh. Shubham Kumar Singh, the horse leader of Prithvi Horse. Here, now I would like to request the new cabinet members. First, sub-junior horse representative of Prithvi Horse, Tejasvi Kumari from safety, march ahead on the stage. Now, junior horse representative Navya Jha from 7D. Senior horse representative Trisha from 9H. Assistant horse leader Naman Singh from 9A. And the horse leader, the newly appointed horse leader, the Prithvi Horse, the Astif Harsh, march ahead on the stage. Now it's time for the extending the duty and responsibility. First, I would like to call the sub-junior horse representative Kapesh Verma, the Prithvi Horse, will give the charge and duty to the Tejasvi Kumari from 6A. Kapesh Vishwakarma, thank you for your considerable job in the past year, your enthusiastic support to your own post, and congratulations to the newly appointed Tejasvi Kumari. Now, junior horse representative Atif Taqir will give the charge to the junior horse representative Navya Jha. Thank you for work in the past year, and congratulations Navya Jha to taking the charge of the new assignment and fulfill the duty and responsibility. Now the senior horse representative Reshu Raj will give the charge to the senior horse representative Trisha from 9H. Thank you, Reshu Raj, for your work in a past year, and you are very enthusiastically done your work. And congratulations, Trisha, for your new responsibility. Now the assistant horse leader Aditya Raj will give the charge to assistant horse leader, newly appointed assistant horse leader Naman Singh. Thank you, Aditya Raj, for your good and excellent work. You are very enhanced with this post, and congratulations for the assistant horse leader Naman, the newly appointed. Now it's time for the old horse leader of Prithvi Horse, Shivam Kumar Singh will get the chance to the horse leader of Prithvi Horse. The Astitva horse is getting the chant from Shivam Kumar Singh. Thank you, Shivam, for your journey of the past years as a horse leader. And now the congratulations to newly appointed horse leader Astitva horse. Now, I'd like to request our respected Dr. O.P. Aisel Principal Sir to give the honor and respect to the newly appointed cabinet members along with our ARO Sir to give the badge. Your administration will hope so for your now the senior horse representative Trisa from 9H getting the chance. Badge from our respected dignitaries, then assistant horse leader, Kamal Singh and the horse leader Astitva horse. Now they all are Dagri horse represents the symbolism of wisdom, knowledge and power, and it represents the passion from inspiration and represents energy. Also teaching us attention and presence. Now Mr. Aniket Chaudhary from 5C. Now after that, junior horse representative of Vatni Horse Samved march ahead on stage. Now senior horse representative Aradhya 9A march ahead on the stage. Now assistant horse leader Srishti, please come on the stage, march on the stage, and the horse leader of the Agni horse. These all are the old cabinet members. Now the newly appointed horse cabinet members of Agni horse. Sub-junior horse representative Reva Sharma, march ahead on the stage from 6A. Junior horse representative Kanhaiya Kumar from 8C, march ahead on the stage. Senior horse representative Satyam Kumar from 9H, come on the stage. And the assistant horse leader Mahashweta Rai from 9E, march ahead on your stage. Now the horse leader Sumit Raj from 9B, come on your stage. And first everybody greet our dignitaries on your stage and to take the position. Now it's time for the exchanging the duty and responsibilities. Now the Aniket Chaudhary from Agni Horse will give the charge to the Riya Sharma from 6A. Thank you, Aniket Chaudhary, for your sincere efforts in the past year, and other congratulations, Riya Sharma, for newly appointed as a sub-junior horse representative. Now the Samrit Yusre will give the chance to the Kanhaiya Kumar from 8C as a junior horse representative. Thank you, Samrit Yusre, for your journey, for your work, sincere efforts, for your post. Thank you, and the congratulations to Kanhaiya Kumar for getting the new charge. Now the Aradhya from 9E will give the charge to Satyam Kumar from 9H. Thank you, Aradhya. She is a nice girl and she has participated in many more activities in the school. Thank you for this. Now the Satyam Kumar, who is getting the charge. Congratulations for this new charge. Now the Srishti, the assistant horse leader. Srishti, the assistant horse leader, will give the charge to Mahashweta Rai from 9E as the assistant horse leader. Thank you, Srishti, for your past year's journey, and congratulations, Mahashweta. She is also an enthusiastic girl and she is very interested in the literary activities. Now it's time for the horse leader. The outgoing horse leader will give the charge to the Sumit Raj, horse leader of the Agni Horse. Now thank you for horse leader Raj, for your kind work, for your sincere work for this post, and and the horse leader Sumitra who is taking the new chairs and the flag. This is not the flag, this is the pride of the ugly horse. And now the Sumitra is taking the charge and responsibility from the Sarma. From 6A is getting the responsibility and charge from our principal sir. Now the junior horse representative Kanhaiya Kumar also has got the charge from ARS sir and the senior horse representative Satyam Kumar and the Mahasweta Rai, the assistant horse leader and the horse leader Sumit Raj. Now march ahead on the stage. Junior horse representative Sharmi from 8A marched on the stage. Senior horse representative Sister Sonia from 9A march ahead on the stage. Now the assistant horse leader Kesav Kumar from 12A march ahead on the stage. Now the horse leader of Thrissur horse Aryan Agni from Chumbu march ahead on the stage. Now here, the newly appointed horse leaders of the Thrissur horse. Sub-junior horse representative Pratik Raj from 4A march ahead on the stage. The Parvati Prasad from 9I junior horse representative come on the stage. Now the senior horse representative Sanvese from 9F. Now the assistant horse leader Muqaddas Hussain from 9F. And the horse leader of Thrissur horse Deepika Kumari from 10H. March ahead on the stage and to give the salute to our dignitaries. Now it's time for the outgoing sub-junior horse representative Ariman Singh from 3D will give the charge to the newly appointed sub-junior horse representative Pratik Raj from 4A. Thank you, Arvind, for your enthusiastic work, and congratulations, Pratik, for the newly appointed as the sub-junior horse representative. Now the Sanvi from 8A will give the charge to the Parvati Prasad as the junior horse representative. Thank you, Shanvi, for your sincere work as a junior horse representative, and congratulations, Parvati Prasad from 9I as junior horse representative. Now the Sister Samya from 9G will give the charge to the Sandhya as the senior horse representative of Thrissur horse. Thank you, Sister Samya from 9G, for your best effort, for your good job, and congratulations, the Sandhya. Now the Kesav Kumar from 12A will give the charge to the Muqaddas Hussain as the assistant horse leader. Thank you, Kesav Kumar, for this successful completion of your assistant horse leader work. And then congratulations, Muqaddas Hussain, for your newly charged and duties and responsibility. Aryan Agni from 12A, the Thrissur horse leader, will give the charge to the newly appointed Deepika Kumari from 10H as a horse leader. Thank you for Aryan Agni, and congratulations for Deepika Kumari from 10H to take the charge and flag to the Thrissur house. Now it's time for giving the badge and honor to the newly appointed horse members. Now I would like to request our dignitaries are giving the badge and honor to the newly appointed horse members of the Thrissur house. The newly cabinet members of Thrissur house are getting the charge and responsibility. On the stage, Insa Elena from 8A, the junior horse representative, march ahead on the stage. Now there is Rishabh Dev from 9F as a senior horse representative of Kiratas horse. Come on the stage. Kumar Isan from 9G assistant horse leader of Akash Horse, march ahead on the stage, and the horse leader, the Sahil Kumar, march ahead on the stage. Now the newly appointed horse members of Akash, sub-junior horse representative Anaya Kashyap from 4G, march ahead on the stage. Junior horse representative Srishti Jha from 9D, senior horse representative Abhayankar from 9H, Mrs. Agrawal 9I, assistant horse leader, march on the stage and to give the salute to our dignitaries. Now the Himansi from 11A, the horse leader of Akash Horse, march ahead on the stage. Now it's time for exchanging the duties and responsibilities. Now the Atifa and the sub-junior horse representative will give the charge to the Anaya Kashyap from 4G. Thank you, Atifa, for your marvelous work of the past years, and congratulations, Anaya Kashyap, for your future as a sub-junior horse representative. Now the Ensalina from 8A, junior horse representative, will give the charge to Srishti Jha, junior horse representative of Akash Horse. Thank you, Ensa, for your enthusiastic journey as a junior horse representative. And now the congratulations, Srishti Jha, for your newly appointed as a junior horse representative. Now Abhayankar from 9H. Now sorry, the sub-date from 9F and Abhayankar from 9H. They are exchanging the duties and responsibilities. The newly appointed senior horse representative Abhayankar from 9H is getting the charge from the sub-date from 9F. Now Kumar Isha from 9G. This boy has served the assistant horse leader marvelously. He has participated in numerous activities in the school. He is a good orator and speaker also. Has done the work very well and will give the charge to the Mrs. Agrawal, to the assistant horse leader from 9I. Now the Sahil Kumar, the horse leader of Akash Horse, will give the charge to the Himansi from 11A, to the horse leader of Akash Horse. So a big clap for this future leaders. Now thank you, Sahil Kumar, what your discharging of the duty in past years. It is a very awesome, and congratulations Himansi for your new journey and new responsibility. Now I would like to request our dignitaries along with our respected Madam B.S. Pandey sir, Principal of DAV Khavra and Murari Pathak sir, to give the honor and respect to these dignitaries, to these members of the Akash House. And now the horse leader Himansi, Vishesh Agrawal as assistant horse leader, senior horse representative Abhayankar from 9H, junior horse representative Srishti Jha from 9G, and now the Kushangi Nidhi, the assistant literary secretary. After that, the literary secretary Mayank from 12A. Now, the assistant cultural secretary Kajal Kumari, march ahead on the stage. Kosaki from 12A, the cultural secretary of the school, come on the stage. These are the outgoing cabinet members. Madashir Hunt from 11B, the assistant sports secretary, march ahead on the stage. The sports secretary of the school, Veer Gandhi from 12A, Now the Prerna Bharati assistant house leader of the school from 12A. Now Muhammad Al-Tamas Jama, the school leader of the Devu Public School, Malaghat, Muzaffarpur, and he was a topper in 12 science class and the commerce class of his school. These are the outgoing members. Now, newly appointed cabinet members of our school administrative departments who run the students' committees. The assistant literary secretary Shreya Singh from 12A. March ahead on the stage. Supriya Nanda from 12A and the literary secretary. Come on the stage. Assistant Sports, Assistant Cultural Secretary, Jail Jaiswal from 9H. Now the Cultural Secretary, Shantanu Srivastav from 12A. Assistant Sports Secretary, Nandini Singh from 12A, march ahead on the stage. The Sports Secretary, Madashir from 12A, march ahead on the stage. Now the Assistant School Leader, Aryan Kumar from 12A. A clap for these cabinet members of the school, a big clap. The school leader, the head boy Adiba Hassan from 12A. The school leader of the Devu Public School, Malaghat. March ahead on the stage. These cabinet members, these all are well in his own activities and in the own ways. She and he has a mastery on it. The Secretary of the Cultural and Sports. Now it's time for giving the newly appointed cabinet members photography and charging the duty and responsibility. Now the Kusanger from 12A will give the charge to the Shreya Singh from 12A. Now thank you Kusanger for your enthusiastic journey as the Cultural Secretary, and now congratulations Shreya Singh from 12A, the Assistant Literary Secretary. Now the Mayank from 12A will give the charge to the Supriya Nanda as a Literary Secretary. Congratulations Supriya Nanda as a new ward, as a new job. Now it's time for Jail Jaiswal is getting the charge and responsibility from the Kajal, Assistant Cultural Secretary. Now thank you Kajal for your enthusiastic journey. Now the Kusangi from 12A as the Cultural Secretary is giving the charge to the Cultural Secretary of the Shantanu Srivastav. He has a mastery of the tabla. He has got in the academic 100 out of 100 in Sanskrit also. Now, after that, Assistant Sports Secretary Nandini Singh from 12A is getting the charge from the Madashir Head from 11 lead Assistant Sports Secretary. The Nandini also played a game at the state level. Now, the Sports Secretary Veer Gandhi is giving the charge to the newly Sports Secretary Madashir from 12A. He is a very well player in the sports. And after that, the Prerna Bharati, the outgoing assistant school leader will give the charge to the Aryan Kumar from 12A, getting the charge from the past leaders. And now the school leader, Muhammad Al-Tamas Jama, is giving the charge to the newly appointed house leader of Adiba Hassan. Now big clap for this. Now the It's time for the hospital's work. This is the person perfect personality who believes that success is the sum of the small efforts repeated day in and day out. He is a passionate and of the learner and with the potential of leading a life in his aspirations. He is the proud winner of so many games besides having won a number of prizes in inter-house and inter-school competitions. He aspires to research and we wish him a grand success for the Aliba and the assistant school leader, the Aryan, to take over as a new head boy. He was interested in the administrative work. He was interested in the reading, singing and benching. He has participated in many competitions and won many prizes in various sports activities he has done the newly appointed. Now it's time for the newly appointed cabinet members honor. Our dignitaries is giving the badge. This is not the badge. This is the responsibility of the upcoming time. These newly appointed who have got the charge from the past post holders, the new charge and duties from the past post holders. Now they all are taking his own positions. Now I would like to
Being the leader of the school, on this very day, solemnly swear that I will render my best endeavor and put forth my best effort into spirit of leadership with discipline, sincerity and honesty. By taking part in the intramural competitions and maintaining discipline, harmony and decorum of my institution. I will always keep my head high before others. I will never let down my institutions, my elders, my teachers, my parents down before others. Jai Hind. Thank you, children.
कर्मचारी अभिभावक सब में ही स्वर्ण शब्द से ही हो जाता। तो आज का दिन मुजफ्फरपुर के लिए वैसे भी खास है। आप लोग खुदीराम बोस साहब का नाम सुने होंगे, आज उनका शहादत दिवस भी है। तो बच्चे स्वर्ण की धरती रही है मुजफ्फरपुर, वीरों से भरा हुआ। बच्चे लोग के कैरियर को संवारने के लिए अभिभावक, यहाँ के शिक्षक, यहाँ के प्राचार्य और यहाँ के जो गणमान्य लोग हैं, ये मुजफ्फरपुर पहले शैक्षिक और सांस्कृतिक राजधानी के रूप में जाना जाता था। अब ये जो डीएवी मालीघाट, ये डीएवी संस्था जिस ढंग के बच्चे तैयार कर रहे हैं, मुझे आशा एवं पूर्ण विश्वास है फिर से मुजफ्फरपुर शैक्षणिक और सांस्कृतिक राजधानी के रूप में जाना जाएगा, भूला जाएगा। क्योंकि ये लोग नैतिक मूल्यों के साथ, मानवीय संवेदना के साथ बच्चे लोगों को शिक्षा देते हैं, उनके जीवन को तराशते हैं। उन्हें साइंस हो या ह्यूमैनिटी हो या आर्ट्स का तो ज्ञान देते ही उसे कैसे बच्चे का सर्वांगीण विकास हो, कैसे वो ऑलराउंडर बन सके, इस ढंग से उसको तैयार करते हैं। इसका तो प्रमाण आप सारे अभिभावक जो यहाँ होंगे और जो बच्चे से जुड़े हुए लोग होंगे, शिक्षक देख ही लिए कि यहाँ शिक्षक लोगों की तत्परता, जो कल्चरल टीम जो अपने प्रस्तुति यहाँ आप लोगों के बीच में रखी, और या और सारा कार्यक्रम या बच्चे लोगों का जो क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, हाउस रिप्रेजेंटेटिव या एनसीसी और एनएसएस के बच्चे कैंपस में घुसते ही इनर्जाइज लोग हो जा रहे हैं, जो दूसरे आते हैं। आप बच्चे बच्चियों के, यहाँ के छात्र छात्राओं के एनर्जी से इनर्जाइज हम लोग भी हो जाते हैं, हम लोग को भी अपना पुराना दिन याद आ जाता है। इसके लिए इन बच्चे बच्चियों के लिए ताली बजाए। यही हमारे भविष्य है। ये समझेंगे जब हम सारे शिक्षक और प्राचार्य इनके द्वारा जाने जाएंगे, तभी असली जो गोल है देश का, विकासशील से विकसित देश कैसे बने, कैसे हम विश्व गुरु के रूप में पूजे जाए, ये सपना साकार होगा। तो यहाँ की प्राचार्य, मन संचालन करने वाले हमारे मित्र शिक्षक बंधु, अनिल बाबू मेरे मित्र, सामने बैठे हुए कुंवर सिंह साहब, सब हम लोग एक ही समय के लोग हैं। संजोग है कोई उधर है कोई इधर है, लेकिन सब शिक्षक है। राम कुमार जी प्रिंसिपल डीएवी काफी, एस भुजबल साहब प्रिंसिपल डीएवी महाराजगंज, डीएस पांडे साहब प्रिंसिपल डीएवी खबरा, मुरारी पाठक साहब डीएवी नरहा, और सम्मानित स्कूल के शिक्षक शिक्षिकागण और जो कर्मचारी बंधु हैं, लैब टेक्नीशियन हैं, चाहे इसमें जो सहयोग करने वाले जितने ऑफिस स्टाफ हैं या मीडिया के बंधु यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, सम्मानित अभिभावक हैं। अभी बहुत ही विषम परिस्थिति से देश गुजर रहा है। एक ही चारा है सारे अभिभावक को, मैं एक छात्र के रूप में, एक शिक्षक के रूप में, एक प्रिंसिपल के रूप में, एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पद पर बिहार पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के मेंबर के रूप में जो कार्य किया हूँ, अनुभव के आधार पर आपसे अपने विचारों को व्यक्त कर रहा हूँ। पढ़ाई बच्चे लोगों के कैरियर संवारने के लिए अभी हम लोग सारे मित्र प्रोफेसर और जो ARO साहब हैं उनके साथ डिस्कस कर रहे थे। जो 10 से 15 साल का उम्र बच्चे लोगों का, 5 साल तो खेलने कूदने में ही बच्चे को जो मदर फर्स्ट टीचर है वो, उसके बाद का जो 10 साल है उसी में जो तरासेंगे, उसी में जो उनको तैयार करेंगे आप लोग, उनको नैतिक मूल्यों के साथ जीवन जीना, किस प्रकार से सम्मिलित परिवार में रहा जाता है, किस प्रकार दूसरे के दुख को भी अपना दुख समझा जाता है, किस प्रकार दूसरे के सुख में भी खुशी व्यक्त किया जाता है, और साथ साथ उनको 10th तक में ही हर विषय के बारे में उसको ज्ञान दे दिया जाता है। बाद में विशिष्ट ज्ञान के लिए किसी फील्ड में कोई इंजीनियरिंग में जाते हैं, कोई मेडिकल में जाते हैं, कोई ब्यूरोक्रेट बनते हैं, कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विस में जाते हैं। लेकिन वो 10th तक का जो काम DAV स्कूल पूरे बिहार में एक डिवोशन के साथ, एक मिशन और विजन के साथ कर रहा है। और मालीघाट इतना कम समय में 2004 में शुरू हुआ, 2004 से लगभग 20 साल होने जा रहा। इसी में अपना एक छाप मुजफ्फरपुर के नागरिक के बीच में, मुजफ्फरपुर के अभिभावक के बीच में छोड़ा है। इसके लिए भारती मैडम भी बधाई के पात्र है, मेरी शुभकामना है। तो इस मौसम में मुझे यहाँ बुलाया गया, मैं विभागाध्यक्ष लोगों के साथ आज 1 बजे से बैठक, लेकिन मैडम का प्रेम और यहाँ के छात्र छात्राओं का प्रेम और मेरे मित्र जो प्राचार्य लोग आए उन लोगों से मुलाकात का मौका मिला, इसके लिए इन लोगों को भी धन्यवाद। हायर एजुकेशन में भी बहुत सारा बदलाव हो रहा है, इसलिए बच्चे को अभी से ही तैयार होना पड़ेगा। न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 जो आया है, 4 साल का ऑनर्स कोर्स भी हो गया है। आप सबको जिस प्रकार से इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, मेडिकल कॉलेज में पढ़ते, उसी ढंग से डेली हायर एजुकेशन में भी पढ़ना होगा। कोई विषय न कमजोर होता है और न कोई विषय मजबूत होता। हर विषय का ज्ञान उतना ही जरूरत है। आज से बच्चे संकल्प करें, हर को किसी सब्जेक्ट में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट होगा, उसको हॉबी के रूप में ले, उसको एंजॉय करें। और सब्जेक्ट का भी अगर आपको कंपटीशन की तैयारी करना, मैं 6 साल में बहुत सारे DSP, SDO, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, प्रोफेसर, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, मेडिकल कॉलेज और प्रिंसिपल का भी इंटरव्यू लेने का मौका मिला। आपके जैसे बच्चियां, आपके जैसे बच्चे ही वहाँ रहते हैं, दूसरे यूनिवर्सिटी से कोई एलियन नहीं आता है। बस आप अपनी प्रतिभा को जाने, उसको पहचाने, उसको निखारे और आगे उसका एक्सपेरिमेंट करें, उसका प्रयोग करें। सफलता आपके कदम चूमेगी। प्यारे बच्चों, तू है तो दुनिया कितनी हंसी है, तू नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं है। थैंक यू।
Tell stories and bring people together. We all will witness today of this in the performance of our students on the song Aram Hai Prachand. So please welcome them on the stage.
है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार लो। आरंभ है प्रचंड। करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे, जो मन करे सो प्राण ले, वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। कृष्ण की पुकार है, ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो, जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं, किसी पे कोई वश नहीं, क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे, ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
Privileged to invite the United Mind, our guardian, great motivator, Sri Anil Kumar Sir, ARO Sir, please be on the stage to announce.
Principal, parents, all other dignitaries, as well as budding future of the nation, for whom these all things have been arranged. So I would like to say a big hello to you all on the occasion of investors ceremony of session 2023-2024. It's not a day to illuminate or enlighten some students. It is a day by which we are trying to inculcate or inject a sense of responsibility among the budding kids. As our chief guest, OP sir, complete name of OP Rai sir, principal and professor of LS College, one of the best college of this city or this state too, you can say. That has been served by, that institution has been served by Rajendra Prasad, Acharya Kripalani, such great personalities we are working in this city, and we are inheriting that character, that nature, that behavior, and it is required to be inculcated in you all. Here I would like to convey one or two things in this just concluded cultural program. One term was used, that is Kauravas and Pandavas. Both were taught by through Drone and Kripacharya. But one group was headed by Dharmaraj Yudhishthir and another was headed by Duryodhan. And what was the cause of Mahabharata? It is known to you all. I think most of the students are knowing the facts. So inculcation of good habits, good practices, good culture, it starts from childhood. Dhritarashtra और उनकी मिसेज ने जो पुत्र प्रेम शो किया, that was the creation of दुर्योधन और दुशासन. And कुंती और मांडवी, whatever they had inculcated in their growing kids, that was reflected by those 5 brothers. They are known as Pandavas. So being a parent, being a teacher, being an elder of the society, we are required to inculcate good habits, good practices and good living styles to all our growing kids or our budding future generation. And responsibility lies on the shoulder of we all, being a teacher, being a principal, being a father or being a mother of all individuals. So be responsible towards it. हाँ, साधन संपन्न आप हैं, you provide each and everything, whatever it is required. But what is the use of those things and in what way it is being used by my kids? It must be assessed by you all and be attentive towards that. Nowadays of digital devices, all the students are using it. They are well versed to those things than we people. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूं तो मेरा मोबाइल या लैपटॉप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है तो मैं अपने बच्चों को कहता हूं कि बेटा थोड़ा देखना. But up to what extent and up to what limitation they are required to surf it, it is not being observed by we people. It's the major fault on the part of a teacher, on the part of a guardian, on the part of a parent. Nowadays, it comes before us, why not we should start a routine for our kids, even ourselves also, to use of that electronic device. Avoid to make such kind of groups. And at least growing kids, school going students or elders to educationists should not have such frequent connection with social media. It is only a tool to provide information, knowledge and sharing of good ideas. But nowadays it is being used by many people for creating nuisance. So it should be checked. And being a teacher, we should also be sincere towards that. By these words, once again I extend my thanks to all the working staff members of this campus as well as the head of the family who is heading them in proper and in amicable way, as well as all the working colleagues and parents too, because parents are the best judge of our organization or our work. Whatever we are doing, it is being assessed by them through their parents, through their kids. So whatever things are there, if it is not proper, please communicate in proper way, in amicable way, in intellectual way, that will be listened by we all and that will be resolved by we all, but it should not be in illiterate manner. So by these words, thank you all, have a nice day.
As we all know that dance has no barrier, something that everyone can feel, something can understand, and definitely something everyone can enjoy. So without any further delay, I would like to call our next performer on the stage for the solo dance performance.
ओरे पिया ओरे पिया ओरे पिया ओरे पिया ओरे पिया ओरे पिया
Kapil Vishwakarma from Prithvi Horse. Kapil Vishwakarma, please come on the stage. Junior Horse representative Atif Kapil from Prithvi Horse. Senior Horse representative Rishi Raj from Prithvi Horse. If the parent is present here, the parent officer then they can come. He or she can come. Now the assistant horse leader, Prithvi Horse, Aditya Raj, please come on the stage. Horse leader, Prithvi Horse, Suman Kumar Singh. What you have, they have a time. Sub-Zone representative, Agnes, and the assistant horse leader, on the stage. Horse leader of Agni Horse, Ayush Misra. Horse leader of Agni Horse, Ayush Misra. It is the proud and privileged moment for the bride and representative from Treasure Horse. Then he can come on the stage. Agni. He is from Akash Horse and Junior representative of his respected child. Ordinary cabinet members who have congratulated you and give the blessings for your the honor what you have done in the sports, in the cultural things. The horse master of Agni Horse, Ranjan Kumar sir, has got the honor and respect from our respected ARO sir. Sunil Roy sir, the horse master of Kusur has got Mr. Mukesh Kumar, the horse master of Akash Horse. Now the newly appointed horse coordinator, respected Sunil sir, honor and respect as a previous coordinator of the different horses. Prithvi Horse Master, the Veer Vikas sir, now the Bhupender sir, Horse Master of Akash Horse, the R.D. Pathak sir, from Kusur Horse, Agni Horse, Ranjan sir, okay, Ranjan sir, now the Ranjan sir, fast as well as correct. He is also getting the respect and honor from our ARO sir.
I, Adiba Hassan, would like to thank each and every one of you for the trust you have bestowed upon me. I'm extremely privileged to hold the esteemed position of school leader of this prestigious institution, DE Public School, Maligaon. This school has turned me as a person, and it goes without saying what I owe to it is immeasurable. I believe that standing ahead is not winning, it is leading everybody else to win. More than a leader, what I would try to be is a friend. In this modern world, I want my fellow schoolmates to never shy away from voicing their ideas for the greater good, because it's the students only who make their school in true sense come alive. Companionship, empathy, respect for others and for self, unity, unprejudice and professionalism. So we can tell the world with pride that we are DAVians. At the end, I would like to conclude with the beautiful words of Robert Frost. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I fall asleep, miles to go before I fall asleep. Thank you so much.
एक संदर्भ है यहाँ जरूरी लगता है कि मैं कई बार चाहा कि मैडम प्रिंसिपल से मैं मिलूं। एक बार मैं आया और अपनी नई किताब लेकर मैंने काउंटर पे वो किताब दी, मैडम को समर्पित करते हुए लिखा कि इसे लाइब्रेरी में रखवा दिया जाए, मगर किन्हीं कारणों से मैं मिल नहीं पाया। मैं यह नहीं कहता उनकी रिसिप्लिटी को बेपरवाह है, हमारा ही ट्रांसमिशन हो जा रहा है। बहरहाल जब भी मैं ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस में आता हूँ तो मुझे एक शेर याद आता है कि कहाँ से उठाऊं समंदर का पानी, परत दर परत कोई किस्सा बया है। मैं उन छोटे छोटे बच्चों के बारे में जो बड़े सजे सजाए कटे छटे एक अनुशासन एक सने हुए कदम की मुद्रा में गुजरते हुए दिखाई देते हैं, जिनके भीतर हर दिन बड़ा हो रहा है कोई बड़ा अफसर, कोई बड़ा टीचर, कोई बड़ा फिलोसफर, कोई ब्रिगेडियर, कोई इंजीनियर, कोई महापुरुष, कोई दार्शनिक। दुनिया में जिन कारणों से कोई व्यक्ति हजार हजार शीशे के टुकड़ों में चमकते हुए हीरे की तरह हो जाता है और सारे कोई भरे हुए हैं हमारे इंडियन बच्चों। हमारे सबसे बेहतर और सबसे अच्छे संसाधन है हमारे बच्चे, उन्हीं को लेके यह दुनिया है, उन्हीं को लेके यह समाज है, उन्हीं को लेके इंस्टीट्यूशन हैं, उन्हीं को लेके हम हैं। वे नहीं होंगे तो सब खाली है। इन बच्चों के लिए मैं कुछ पंक्तियां बड़े मान के साथ कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक तुम्हारा होना क्या से क्या कर देता है, एक तुम्हारा होना क्या से क्या कर देता है, बेजुबान शत दीवारों को घर कर देता है। एक तुम्हारा होना क्या से क्या कर देता है, बेजुबान शत दीवारों को घर कर देता है। खाली शब्दों में आता है ऐसा अर्थ पिरोना, गीत बन गया सा लगता है घर का कोना कोना। एक तुम्हारा होना सपनों को स्वर देता है, बेजुबान शत दीवारों को घर कर देता है। हम इन छोटे से लेकर बड़े 12th तक के बड़े होते हुए बच्चे जिनके भीतर न जाने कितने तरह के वैचारिक और भावात्मक बदलाव हो रहे होते हैं, उनके प्रति थैंकफुल हैं, क्योंकि कुशलता सिर्फ कुम्हार की नहीं होती है कि कोई मिट्टी किस आकार में ढलकर हमारी आंखों को आकर्षित करता है। खोदी मिट्टी की भी होती है। अगर सिर्फ बालूरी वाली हो मिट्टी में तो सुराही बन सकती है, कौशल तमाम कुम्हार के लगाने के बाद भी कुछ बहुत बेहतरीन और खूबसूरत मूर्तियां नहीं बनती। अंत में बहुत ही मान के साथ बच्चों के लिए, गार्जियन के लिए, आपके लिए और अपने लिए भी चंद पंक्तियां आपके सामने रखकर मैं आपके साथ जाऊंगा। नए मकान में नए मकान में चीजें पुरानी कौन रखता है? नए मकान में चीजें पुरानी कौन रखता है? परिंदों के लिए कुंडों में पानी कौन रखता है? नए मकान में चीजें पुरानी कौन रखता है? परिंदों के लिए कुंडों में पानी कौन रखता है? कुछ ही लोग हैं जो बचाए हुए हैं, वरना सलीके से बुजुर्गों की निशानी कौन करता है? जिन लोगों तक आवाज नहीं पहुंची हो उनके लिए दो पंक्तियां लास्ट की। एक तरफ आपके हाथ में आपके साथ आपके पुराण, आपकी भारतीयता, आपके मूल दर्शन, आपके मनुष्यत्व, आपके मानवीय मूल्य होने चाहिए, और दूसरे हाथ में दुनिया में विश्व के किसी भी देश में बेहतर बनती हुई और बढ़ती हुई टेक्नोलॉजी आपके एक हाथ में होना चाहिए। सफलता आपकी निश्चित है और आपके जीवन का ध्येय ही होना चाहिए। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद आपका लोगों का, धन्यवाद।
क्षत्रिय पदाधिकारी महोदय का, जिनके निर्देशन में, प्रॉपर गाइडेंस में ये प्रोग्राम सक्सेसफुली संपन्नता की ओर जा रहा है। अपने सभी प्रिंसिपल मित्रों का भी मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि they shared some of the valuable things for this program. Ujjwal sir started from Siwan district and is here after a long journey. तो सबको धन्यवाद। अभी प्रिंसिपल साहब जो बोल रहे थे और मैं मुक्त होकर के सुन रहा था, मन में बहुत सी बातें आ रही हैं, सबको संजोना बहुत मुश्किल है, और चूँकि शेर व शायरी से इनका ताल्लुक है, तो मुझे याद है मैं कभी कभी गालिब जी को भी और कभी मीर को भी पढ़ता हूँ, बहुत सी बातें वो कंसंट्रेट करके शेर में डाल देते हैं। प्रिंसिपल साहब के लिए जिन्होंने आज काफी प्रभावित किया उन्होंने, इनके लिए मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि आपको देखकर देखता रह गया, आपको देखकर देखता रह गया, क्या कहूं और कहने को क्या रह गया। माता निर्माता भवती, माँ जो होती है वो निर्माण करने वाली होती है। जितनी भी मातृशक्ति बैठी है, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि जननी और माता में एक फर्क है, समझ लीजिएगा। जननी सिर्फ जनती है, यशोदा और देवकी में फर्क है। देवकी ने जना कृष्ण को, वो जननी है, ठीक है। यशोदा माता है, क्योंकि कृष्ण के चरित्र का निर्माण यशोदा ने किया। माता निर्माता भवती, निर्माण का कार्य आपके ऊपर है। आपको देखना है उसमें जो संभावना है उसको आगे कैसे बढ़ाना है। आपका हमारा सहयोग और हमारे क्षत्रिय पदाधिकारी महोदय का मार्गदर्शन, निश्चित रूप से हम ये प्रण करते हैं जो भी विश्वास डीएवी के प्रति आपने जताया है उस पर हम खरा उतर रहे हैं, आगे भी खरा उतरेंगे। धन्यवाद।
DAV institution. Now the clap for the proud moment. It is very proud moment for this. Naveen Kumar sir, giving the honor, giving the now from our sir, now the one on with our respected madam, Honorable Pandey sir has got the honor and respect from our a token of love, respect and the honor to
Wishing you all a very pleasant afternoon on behalf of DAV Malighar family. I feel honored and privileged to have you all here. On this bright and wonderful day, as we all gathered here and witnessed the swearing-in ceremony of our school, it gives me a sense of pleasure that this oath-taking ceremony, I would say, saw here a step turning to invisible to visible. As a gracious presence of our honorable chief guest, Dr. O.P. Roy, Principal LS College Muzaffarpur, special guest Anil Kumar Singh, ARO DAV Public School Zone C, and all the revered principals of various DAV families, my colleagues, parents and media persons. We thank you for your having spared your valuable time to grace us with your august presence here to this oath-taking ceremony. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Bharti Nayak, who takes immense pain to make every event memorable one. Ma'am, you are always ready to offer the best learning environment. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the new post bearers because of whom we all are gathered here. I would further extend my thanks to Mr. Niranjan Kumar Sharma and his team for their enormous cooperation in the organization of this gala event. I would like to thank cultural team who made this event a spectacle by showcasing their art. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and bird eye for details. And we have been fortunate enough to be backed by our very motivated and dedicated coordinators. When we express gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not simply uttering words, but lived by them. I am most grateful to all the anchors, technical arrangement team, program mentors for their immense contribution to the program. And I thank you all for being with us. Behind every successful program lies the manful effort of our committed faculty. I would like to take a moment to thank the support staff of the school for their immense contribution to make this event worthwhile. Finally, it is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our parents. Where we stand today is the combination of hard work and effort, and we know that we can go further with renewed confidence that you all be there to celebrate our victory. I have few lines for the new cabinet members. To all the newly elected cabinet members, शौर्य तुम वीर सा रखना, मुश्किलों से तुम कभी न डरना, उड़ना तुम बादलों से भी ऊपर, इतनी ऊंची अपनी उड़ान रखना. Now, I would like to thank you a lot to one and all involved in this program, and now I would like to call our Sanskrit teachers for the Sanskrit.
अन्तरिक्षाः